Hi everybody, it's Sarah from creativesarah.com. Today I'm working on this really awesome Happily Ever After board, and I used our boho transfer to put down the flower outlines. And then I'm adding water to our chalk paste and using a paintbrush to paint in the little flowers. You do not have to have talent as an artist at all. This is like paint by number, very easy, quick. Kind of coloring in the lines, and honestly, I didn't even color in all the lines, so I went out of the lines a little bit too, so don't worry about that. You could use any of our chalk paste, and I just used a tiny little craft jar, added about 4 squirts of water to a little dollop of our chalk paste, and I made some yellow, some green, I used the peachy and coral, and then I just kind of filled in these flowers and the leaves, so you'll be able to see how that turned out. If you have any questions, let me know. If you're looking to get these transfers, I can help you with that too. So enjoy the rest of this video.